Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, I hope all of you have prepared the starting three topics of your syllabus, and we have already released the video of session 1, session 2 and session 3 which contains first three topics of your syllabus. And today I am here with the questions video of topic 4, that is operators in Java. Already children, we have 3 videos in this topic on our channel, and you can refer to those videos before attempting the questions of today's video. The questions for this topic are there in the PDF. The link is there in the description box. You can check there and solve the questions as you are already solving the questions in your practice notebook. If anyone has not yet started doing the questions in practice notebook, please start it right now, today itself, so that you will prepare very nicely for your exams, and that will work as your revision notebook during the examination time. For operators chapter, you get around 4 questions directly in exams, and operators are used in the programming for section B also. With looping you use, with decision construct you use. We have different types of operator. In today's end screen, the link of those 2 videos are given. You can just watch those videos and prepare the topic nicely. Before we proceed, I would like to share some information with you about Unacademy. Yes, you must have heard about Unacademy. It is the biggest educational online platform, and it is coming with a new test series named Ascent. It is for the children of class 6 to 12. As most of the viewers of our channel are from class 9th and 10th, so children, I want each one of you to participate in this online All India Championship series. This is for the subjects Maths and Science. There are 40 questions and no negative marking. Date is 13th of February 2021. So just 3 steps are there. Step 1, enroll yourself, and it is absolutely free. Step 2, attempt it live and know your score. And step 3, top rankers will be awarded worth INR 5 lakh scholarships on Unacademy Plus. Yes, Unacademy Plus is giving the education by the topmost educators for engineering, for medical, for defense and whatnot. So I want each and every child of our channel to attempt this quiz and enroll themselves. The date is 13th Feb, time is 11 to 12 for classes 9th and 10th. Total 40 questions, no negative marking for Maths and Science. So my best wishes are with you, and do tell me your performance in the comment section. Children, like this I will be giving you more information what I think will be beneficial for you from Unacademy and different sources. So stay blessed. Please let me know through comment section whether you are getting any help from our practice series or not. In case you need some improvement, in case you need to add something into it, please let me know through the comment section. I always read all the comments and try to give the answers for as many comments as possible. Don't wait for the 11th hour for the preparation. Please start your practice, and I know all of you are going to do very nicely in your exams. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is given in the description box. And please share these videos with your ICSE friends. Keep practicing, keep working hard and keep solving the question papers. God bless you children.